Hello YouTube, this is a 7-inch 2-speed oscillating fan made by a company that starts with a W, and that may be Westinghouse. I do not know. I have no clue. I've never been able to find another fan like this. I saw a tower version of this fan with the W logo, but I'm guessing it was probably just a store brand from, I don't know, some like CVS or whatever. I don't know. But I'll go ahead and demonstrate it for you. It works pretty well. I'm guessing it's a 80s or 90s fan. Got the deluxe 7-inch 2-speed oscillating fan. Here's your switch on top, which I like a lot more than the switches on the back of the motor. It's got oscillation. This fan was seized when I got it, but it's in very good shape and it still runs. I'll go ahead and turn this on the side and we'll look at the numbers on the bottom. Electric desk fan, 7-inch, model FW07A, HF17ST. Made in Taiwan, Republic of China. So, if that gives anyone any clue who made this fan, please let me know in the comments, because I'm very curious and I've never seen one like it. Here I'll go, start it up on high. Moves a good bit of air. It's pretty good for a small fan, really. That is high. Let's go ahead and turn on the oscillation there. It is pretty stiff, so I try to run it every once in a while. I'm sure it needs oiled too. Let's try low. It's pretty silent on low. Back up to high. Let's just let it go straight for a while to pick up speed. Spin nozzle's really fast. Let's see. Anything else to say about this fan? Not really. It's a little dusty. But overall, it's a pretty nice fan. I use it to sleep in the night. Makes a pretty nice noise. If anyone knows anything about it, just let me know. Thanks for watching. Be sure to see my other videos. Have a good day.